Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to set up your gamification Notion template. Let's get started. First, log into your Notion app or you can access it in website. Just go to your website and type in notion.com. Now, once you've logged in, you will be directed to your home page. Here, go to Templates. In the search bar, type in Gamification. Then click Enter. Notion will give you a lot of options. Take your time to choose, then click on the template you want. After that, you need to add this so you can access it. After adding it, it will appear on the left side of the screen. Click on it. Now you can edit it however you want. Take your time to customize it however you want or based on what you need. And that's it. You have set up your gamification Notion template. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.